Mehak and today I am here to tell you about ginger milk and its benefits. So let's get into the video. Ginger milk is one of the most nutritious beverage as it has variety of health advantages. Ginger has a lot of medical benefits that can help us in many ways. When we have cold, flu or any other illness, ginger is the best thing to take. It gives us antibacterial and anti-inflammatory capabilities that eliminate all foreign agents currently causing trouble in our bodies. Additionally, adding ginger to a glass of milk will prove to be the best as it can give us all the essential elements our bodies need from milk. Now, let us know the health benefits of ginger milk. Number 1. It boosts the immune system. Naturally, boosting your immune system is possible with ginger milk. Your body instantly destroys harmful bacteria and strengthens your immune system. Ginger milk contains antioxidants that can protect us from internal free radicals. As a result, it keeps us safe and healthy. Number 2. It increases digestive power. Ginger provides us with digestive benefits. It protects against things like acidity, acid reflux, stomach aches and constipation. After breakfast, drinking ginger milk can help you avoid digestive problems. Number 3. It prevents osteoporosis. Your bone strength can be naturally increased by drinking ginger milk. Milk helps to prevent bone weakness since it is high in calcium, potassium and magnesium. Ginger in it prevents your bone from exhaustion caused by infection, inflammation, etc. Because of this, drinking ginger milk regularly after the age of 40 will prevent osteoporosis. Number 4. It provides relief in pain. For a very long time, ginger has been used extensively to reduce inflammation, and there is scientific support for the common practice. Numerous studies show its ability to reduce knee osteoarthritis pain. Ginger tea might help alleviate headaches, sore muscles, menstrual cramps and other types of pain. Number 5 is reliefs from a sore throat. If you have a sore throat, ginger milk is incredibly soothing. Cold, flu and cough frequently lead to throat infections which hurt your and make it difficult for you to talk, eat or drink. You'll feel better after drinking a glass of ginger milk because it has anti-inflammatory qualities. That's all for today. For more such videos, keep watching Krishi Jagran Business. Thank you.